Andrew here, Sterilizer Autoclave Solutions, 704-966-1650, option 3 for free technical support, or you can visit us at statimusa.com. Okay, we are going to go over some daily maintenance. You can refer to the operator's manual that shows you how to do the daily maintenance. Daily maintenance is going to be a lot of observation. You're going to observe the gaskets, make sure they're all correctly positioned in place. You're going to want to make sure you can pull this out. You can make sure nothing's stuck inside of the bottom here. Also, if you have a door ring, that's recommended. Just inspect that, make sure nothing's stuck in there, needle tips or anything like that. The dam gasket sits inside of the door gasket. So daily maintenance, you're just going to inspect those types of things. Also, you are going to make sure water's full. Also, you are going to make sure that there's nothing stuck to this outer chamber here. You're also going to look inside here is where your door switch is, and I'll click on it. Make sure your door switch, you're going to make sure that looks like, and there's nothing stuck in there. That way, and then also your door handle, make sure it moves up and down, make sure it's not binding. Other than that, you're going to clean the external surfaces. Let's see, clean it with any number of disinfectants, but beware if you use certain alcohols. Typically, we like to use Simple Green. Simple Green's nice and easy on the outside of the unit. It cleans all the fingerprints off, keeps the plastic in good shape. Anything else containing substantial amounts of alcohol can damage the faceplate. So let's just stick with Simple Green to clean the outside and keep it nice and looking good. Then you're just going to want to inspect the trays. Pull them out, make sure nothing's stuck to them, any paper. They tend to rust a tad bit, so you can always clean it with some distilled water and a red scrubby pad or green scrubby pad or abrasive pad of some sort. Inspect all the trays. We're going to take this out. We're going to take this out daily. You might look at your filters, make sure they're clean. Cleaning with speed clean and a toothbrush and some distilled water. Make sure nothing's stuck to the bottom of the chamber. And that's pretty much it. That's your daily maintenance for your Midmark M9/M11 steam sterilizer. If you like this video, please share it. Please subscribe to our channel and have a great day.